Okay, so this is my attempt to start doing some videos for cooking, mostly for my kids, because I don't usually take the time and have the patience to do it when they're around and teach them, which I should have done all these years, but you know how life goes and you're in a hurry and, you know, it happens. So, I'm doing this pie crust to show my daughter Olivia, because she's gonna be she wants to make a pie for her guy friend, her boyfriend. And so I'm starting off with 8 ounces, or 8 tablespoons, I should say, of butter, which is a stick. And I'm taking it, cutting it into small little chunks. Originally, this was an Alton Brown recipe, which I loved. And when the Food Network first came out, I was basically watching that all the time. And that became my favorite university and place to educate myself. I mean, I've always been cooking, but I love to learn techniques and styles and tips and tricks. So this one I've tried. I have lots and lots and lots of recipes. This one is just the easiest to get done. Food processor is fantastic. So cut it all the way up. I'll show you what it looks like in the bowl. And this may not be great. And then I do 6 ounces of flour. And I'm gonna fill it up here. Sometimes I measure it and tell you exactly how much it is, but it's just easy to measure it and put it on my scale, which I use for my candy. And I pretty much got 6 ounces. Yep, it says 6, so I'll just go with that. So I'll just put that in. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar, or sorry, 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm gonna put it down because I obviously was covering using the sugar container to make my video. And then I'll do like an 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, just for balance. You need the salt and the sweet. Okay, so then I'm gonna pulse it until it turns mealy. So start on low. So if you can tell, it's very mealy. The butter's all done. I'm gonna do it high for 2 seconds. Looks really good. It's like really fine. So I'll show you. Just really, really fine, granulated, almost like sand. And then I'm gonna take about 1/4 cup of really cold water. Got it. And then I'm going to put it on low. And slowly pour it in. Don't be too going even if it hasn't come together, because it'll just come together right at the last minute and then turn into a ball. When it gets into a ball, pull it into a ball, spin it around like that. Turn it off. And that's it. So easy. So easy. And then I just like to take a little bit of extra flour. And so this should make two pie crusts, or 1 covered pie. And then I will take it and divide it into 2, flatten it into discs, put it in the fridge to chill because it's better to roll it out when there's a little bit of, when it's chilled and the butter's not so soft. So I'll show you what I did here. Here's my knife. Cut it in half. Make it into a ball. I just add a little extra flour so it doesn't stick to the baggie. And that's it. Just flatten it out like that so it's easier to roll when you pull it out. And then you've got two doughs. So I'm going to chill that up, making pecan pie. So I'll put those in the fridge and then I'll get back to you with the pecan pie.